How to check your gift card balance online.
Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll be learning about how to check your gift card balance online. This can be an essential skill, especially if you have multiple gift cards and aren't sure how much is left on each. By checking the balance online, you can easily plan your shopping and avoid any unexpected surprises at the checkout.
Find the issuer's website.
Firstly, you'll need to locate the website of the company that issued the gift card. This can typically be found by doing a simple web search for the name of the company or store, plus the term, gift card. For instance, if you have a Walmart gift card, you might search for Walmart gift card. The official website of the issuer is generally the best place to check your gift card balance.
Locate the gift card section.
Once you're on the issuer's website, look for the section related to gift cards. This could be under a menu item like Gift Cards, Check Gift Card Balance, or something similar. Be aware that every website will have a slightly different layout, so you might need to look around a bit to find it.
Enter your gift card information.
You'll typically need to provide some information to check your gift card balance. This will usually include the gift card number and potentially a PIN or security code. These can generally be found on the back of the card. Enter this information into the appropriate fields.
Check the balance.
After you've entered the required information, there should be an option to Check Balance, View Balance, or something similar. Click on this, and you should be able to see the current balance of your gift card. And there you have it. Now you know how to check your gift card balance online. It's a quick and easy process, and it can really help you manage your gift card usage more effectively. We hope you found this guide helpful, and happy shopping!